Breaking news coming in, and amid reports of his ouster, more Lingayat seers back Karnataka Chief Minister. Karadvira Basava of Tumkuru Mutt said it is important to stand by B.S. Yediyurappa and added that they would send a message to High Command as BJP would not survive if BSY stepped down. Another seer, Sringere Senahalli, said that centre should stop meddling with Karnataka.
ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ನುಡಿ ಕೊಡುವುದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಧೀಮಂತ ನಾಯಕನನ್ನ ಈ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಇಳಿಸುವುದು ಸೂಕ್ತವಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್ವನಾಶ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಠಾಧೀಶ್ವರರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಂಬಲರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Let me go across to my colleague Shrija, who has more on this. Shrija, what we have in fact seen is that this has also been a sort of a show of strength that we have seen that over the past few days, specifically, that there have been certain meetings that have been held. And in this particular case, we can see that the Karadvira Basava of Tumkuru Mutt has in fact said that it's important that the current Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa should send a message to the High Command that BJP would not survive if he stepped down and that the centre should not actually interfere in Karnataka politics. So this is in a way this kind of support that B.S. Yediyurappa has in fact been getting from the seers has in fact turned out to be crucial, with now they are actually speaking out in his support and also telling the centre not to meddle in the affairs.
Well, clearly, it's the irony. Just about a few months ago, we did see how B.S. Yediyurappa himself did warn the seers not to really interfere into the administrative issues. But today, we're looking at a situation, the show of strength, of course, a rally of seers as far as Karnataka is concerned. Leaders from across all the party lines are also lending their support to B.S. Yediyurappa, also sending a message to the BJP High Command, ensuring that B.S. Yediyurappa is not replaced. But as of today, what we understand, until about yesterday, we did see how the show of strength in terms of seers coming together, also meeting B.S. Yediyurappa, but we clearly did not have them making statements such as issuing a strong statement or even for that matter a strong message to the BJP, the central BJP. But today we have two seers in fact saying that, going on to say, the one seer representing the Tumkuru Mutt, he goes on to say, Kandahar seer, he goes on to say that Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa should not be replaced, and if that is done, it will be a catastrophic kind of a situation. BJP won't survive here in the state of Karnataka, and that they are planning to meet the BJP High Command as well to send out a strong message that, remember, Lingayat community here, we are talking about, constitutes nearly 17% of the vote bank. So, of course, it is a huge gamble as far as the BJP is concerned. Now, we are also looking at another seer from representing Sringeri Mutt, where he also goes on to make an open statement saying that the central government, they have been meddling with the state of Karnataka, and which is exactly the reason why B.S. Yediyurappa has not been able to execute his power as a CM.
Right, Shrija, will of course have to keep watching the space because this is also something that will not die out immediately. We'll probably be seeing more such statements made in the future. Shrija, thank you so much for joining us with that.